Overwatch 2's next crossover appears to have been revealed in the Season 9 trailer, bringing Cowboy Bebop into Blizzard's hero shooter. The Overwatch 2 Season 9 Champions trailer went live on February 7th, introducing a series of new gameplay elements including a ranked reset, Jade weapon skins, a new co-op mode, and more. If this wasn't enough already, Blizzard had one more surprise up its sleeve. At the very end of the trailer, we get a shot of Route 66 and a close-up of the jukebox from inside the diner. From there, an iconic anime theme begins to play, and fans are convinced this means that Overwatch 2 is getting yet another anime crossover. Overwatch 2 seems to be getting Cowboy Bebop skins. The song that plays on the jukebox is the song Tank by Seatbelts, the opening theme for Cowboy Bebop. While nothing has been confirmed just yet, the music is surely no coincidence, as Route 66 is a map associated with Cole Cassidy and Cowboy Bebop is a space western. Across social media, fans of both Overwatch and the anime series jumped for joy, with many users assuming that Cole Cassidy would be getting a Spike skin. Players also began to hypothesize what other heroes could be getting skins, based on past crossovers such as when OW2 collided with the world of One Punch Man. Expect to learn more in the coming days as the long-awaited Season 9 approaches.